Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So I really believe that you guys might have already seen my last vlog where I did some planning, preparation and packing for our aircard trip. So in this video I'm going to share our day 1 of aircard trip. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy watching this vlog. We planned our vacation during the weekdays and not during the weekend for two main reasons. First reason is that we wanted to avoid crowd. Usually during weekends any hill station will be crowded and we didn't want to come in contact with many people during this pandemic, so we thought weekdays will be the best, so we planned during the weekdays. And second reason is that the resort room tariffs are actually high during the weekends when compared to weekdays. So 1000 to 1500 difference will be there because most of the people plan during the weekends. That's the reason. So these are the two reasons because of which we planned our trip during the weekdays. We started on Jan 22nd Monday morning 7 a.m. and we almost reached Salem around 9. Zohan completed his sleep for almost 2 hours and woke up around 9. We didn't have our breakfast in Salem. We actually planned for having breakfast in Salem, but we could not. So we thought we'll have after reaching aircard. So we started our hill ride. Monkey देखो ना, देखो कि monkey यहाँ भी है, देखो यहाँ देखो monkey. And actually Zohan enjoyed this ride because he was able to witness plenty of monkeys over there. In any hill stations you will find monkeys. That's not a big deal, but he really enjoyed. Usually only if babies are awake they'll be able to watch and enjoy, and luckily Zohan was awake and he enjoyed the ride. The weather was actually hot. It was not cold at all, especially during the day. And when we were climbing the hill towards aircard, we saw so many plantations, so many coffee trees, herb trees and so on. And also we were able to view the Sterling resort when we were actually climbing the hill, and it was so beautiful. It was on a cliff and it looked amazing. Can you just notice the resort over here? As mentioned in the last video, we planned for 3 days and 2 nights. One night we had booked in one resort and the other night we booked in another resort. So you will be able to enjoy the vlog in 2 different resorts. For day 1 it's going to be one resort. I'll let you know which resort we are going to stay in. So we reached aircard around 10:30 and we had our breakfast. 3 years back when we visited aircard, we stayed in Great Trials, that is GRT resort. It was just amazing, awesome experience. I'll try to mention a few images here and there if possible, or else I'll do a separate video. The resort is just amazing, but it's actually pricey. Even now when you look at the tariffs of the resort, it is actually high. So we did not visit GRT this time. We wanted to experience something different, so we booked Brooks Resort. This resort is very near to Pagoda Viewpoint, just some half kilometer, that's it, walkable distance. And this is the Brook Resort and Spa. I'll be reviewing the entire resort, and that will come in a separate video because if I include it here, then it may go very long, so please wait and watch that particular video as well. If in case you're watching this a bit late, then I'll be mentioning the video on cards as well, so please stay tuned. We did our hotel bookings through Agoda website. This is a intermediary site where you can actually book your rooms, but the actual problem happened in Agoda was when we booked, the payment was on hold and it was not confirmed by the resort, so we had to call the resort and we did the payment directly through GPay to the resort manager, I mean to whomsoever it was. So we did through GPay. We had a talk with the manager and he asked us to do the payment during our call through GPay, and we did that. So our process was a bit okay, but just see to it that if in case you don't get a confirmation, if you book through Agoda, please do call and confirm with them. And when check-in process was going on, there were a couple of fish tanks, so Zohan enjoyed his time with fishes during the check-in. This is our room. We opted for garden view room, and this is the room. The entire tour or the resort review will come in another video very soon. The room was very spacious, more than we imagined. It was really bright and nice. We booked this room for 3,500 rupees for one night, and I feel that it is worthy. I think you should visit this resort because it's completely a different environment. This is the view from our balcony. It was really nice and bright, and there are actually different varieties of rooms available. We opted this garden view room. Apart from garden view, you have private villas and jacuzzi rooms. I'll show that in my next video. So after freshing up, we actually went for lunch. There is a attached restaurant in this resort which serves some delicious tribal food, so we enjoyed our lunch there. Let me show you what all we ordered. The staff, the food, the varieties of dishes, all were just amazing. I think if you are planning to have some delicious food, then you must try this resort. It was very easy for us to communicate and commode during our stay. It was very easy for us to have a lunch and dinner over there, as the restaurant was really good and it is attached to the resort. So we ordered tribal food. So we ordered ghee rice for Zohan, chatti chicken, and along with that we ordered bamboo mutton biryani. It was very sufficient for two of us. This was very, very sufficient. The bamboo biryani was just amazing. It was not like a normal biryani like Bhai Veetu biryani. It was not all like a Bhai Veetu biryani, but something very different, a kind of tribal food. We really enjoyed our lunch. We also tasted their signature milkshake, which is called Vannabam. It is made of pan and some herbs along with milk. I think it's a kind of milkshake, pan milkshake. It was really yum. If you are visiting this resort or the restaurant, I will definitely suggest you to try the signature dish Vannabam. You will be amazed. And after our lunch, we had spent some time with Zohan in the play area. There's a very a small play area for kids. Actually, it is sufficient for kids who are less than 5 years of age. Zohan really enjoyed his time playing in this play area. There were slides and swings, mini play area, but it was actually well maintained, clean, and we enjoyed our time with Zohan as well. From there, we moved to the swimming pool area. We just wanted to see if the swimming pool was clean. And after looking at the swimming pool, Zohan was insisting us to take him to the pool, and he was very, very adamant. So we thought we should give it a try, and we went back to our room, changed Zohan, and came back to the pool. Zohan, देखो मम्मी देखो कहाँ जाते हैं जोहान? स्विमिंग पूल जाना आज की स्विमिंग पूल ओके wear your shoes. The pool water was actually cold. There are two different pools, one for kids and one for elders. Zohan enjoyed a lot in the pool. We then went back to the room. Zohan took his shower, and we headed to Pagoda Point, which was very near. So this is the Pagoda Point. This is just a viewpoint. This is the place from where you will be able to have a very good view. This is a scenic and a tourist place. The entry fees is free. Actually, there is no entry fees for this, and you can click many pictures over here. The view is really, really nice. You will get an amazing view during the sunrise and sunset as well. We spent some half an hour in Pagoda Point, and from there we headed to Ladies Seat to view the sunset, and it was so beautiful, guys. Trust me, the Ladies Seat viewpoint is just really amazing. It was too cold at that time. We really enjoyed the weather, and also the sunset was just beautiful. Just before the ladies view point, there is a rose garden and also a butterfly garden. We visited these two gardens during our last visit, which was 3 years back, but we didn't want to visit this time as it was already late and we didn't want to miss the sunset in the ladies viewpoint. So we just skipped this and we headed to the viewpoint. If in case you want to visit these parks, then you can definitely visit. I have heard and I have also seen that these parks are a very good spot for photo shoots. If you are planning for capturing many photos, then you can try visiting these parks.
Papa, chapel. Twinkle. Better twinkle. Kiran balu.
उड़ गया देखा है तो अच्छा
Kiran balu.
हाँ ऐसा रास्ता नहीं है எவ்வளோ வருது கிராம்?
4 கிலோ தான்.
4 கிலோ வாங்க.
10 கிலோ டக்கனே.
எடுத்து கொடுங்க மேம்.
We had our evening snacks there. We ordered cheese bread omelette and a mixed platter of budgies. It was so hot and it was so good for the weather. It was really nice and hot. You also get artikal soup here. That is a vegetarian soup. I think it is a must try. You will really enjoy the taste. And this is the sunset, guys. We then went back to the resort, took rest, changed, and then went to the restaurant for dinner. We ordered dosas for dinner. All the items were actually available, but we wanted to try something, very minimal and something very simple. So we ordered dosas for 3 of us. After dinner, we headed to the tennis court area where they had arranged for bonfire. We spent around 1 hour in bonfire. Actually, the climate was a bit cold at night during our visit to Ericard on day 1. So bonfire was add on to that. We really enjoyed time over there and it was so much fun. So the music was also going on and people over there actually enjoyed. I had to mute the video, I had to mute the audio because monetization problem will come, that's the reason. And Zohan is having fun. We were so much satisfied with the resort. We had a really good time. So we then ordered milk for Zohan from restaurant and we slept off early as we all were tired. So that's how we spent our first day in Ercard. I really hope that you guys liked this video and enjoyed watching this vlog. Few more vlogs are lined up, guys, so please stay tuned, subscribe and keep supporting. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.